Hi everybody, today's video is a 2-minute tip, and I gotta tell you this. It's a little different than our usual video because I'm visiting with my brother Dave and I'm at his house. He's got something really unique to show you. In fact, it's the kind of situation that I believe will help many of you. So why don't we just dive right into it? All right, Dave, what do we have here? What is this thing?
Check this out, Leah. This is a surface mount light, but it's not a traditional surface mount light. This converts those old can style lights into flush surface mount LED lights. All you do is you screw it into your old light fixture.
Well, I gotta tell you, I do like it, but what about the depth of the can?
They account for that. Look at that. You can adjust it to whatever depth can you've got.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Now, wait a second. I'm noticing this here. What is that?
Is to adjust the brightness of it. If you're putting it in like a library or a den, you might want it a little calm and low. Or if you're doing it in a kitchen where I am, I'm going to put it all the way up to the top.
I think this is very unique. Let's install it and show the people at home how they can do it themselves.
Well, I'm just going to take out the old bulb. I am going to extend this out all the way.
All right.
I'm going to set it to the setting I want, which is the brightest setting. And I'm going to screw it in. Just like that. Once it's screwed in, then I'm just going to push it up flush. Can you believe how easy that is?
A lot of these can lights have like a ring, a bezel, or an escutcheon, and they're easily removed. We've already removed ours. I got a light bulb here. I'm just going to take it out. Nothing could be easier than this. There we go. Man, I gotta ask you, have you ever seen anything easier than that? And you get new modern lights, and it just takes seconds. And on top of it, you save a little money because it's an LED. I love it. All right, we're gonna turn on the lights and let's see what we have. Oh, wow. Wow, what a big difference.
Isn't that a huge difference?
I'm going to place a link in the description below, so, well, you can check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying, you can do this. See you next time.